If your HVAC system is not turning on, it can totally throw off your day, especially when you just want your place to be comfy, you know? First off, check your thermostat settings. Make sure it's set to heat or cool depending on the season, and the temperature is set lower or higher than the room temp so it kicks in. Sometimes, the thermostat batteries die, and that's an easy fix. Just swap them out. Also, peek at your circuit breaker panel. If the breaker for your HVAC tripped, flipping it back could solve the problem instantly. Don't forget to check if the system is actually getting power. Look for any unplugged cords or damaged wires near the unit. If you're using a smart thermostat, resetting it or rebooting the system can sometimes wake it up too. Another thing is to inspect air filters and vents because clogged filters can make the system shut down or run inefficiently. If none of this works, it might be time to call a professional technician who can diagnose what's really up with your HVAC system. Keeping these simple checks in mind can save you a bunch of stress and money before calling for help. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their HVAC system won't turn on is ignoring the thermostat settings. If it's not set correctly, the system won't start no matter what. Fix that by double-checking the mode and temperature. Another common issue is forgetting to reset the circuit breaker when the system trips. People often overlook this simple step, but flipping the breaker back can get things running again quickly. Lastly, a lot of folks don't replace thermostat batteries regularly, which causes the thermostat to lose power and stops the HVAC from turning on. So keep fresh batteries handy and swap them out every 6 months or so. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and are reliable. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a great spot to connect with people looking for your services and land more gigs easily.